Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn about the difference of sets. The difference of two sets A and B is defined as the lists of all the elements that are in set A but that are not present in set B. The difference of two sets, A and B written as a B or AB, is a set containing all elements that are in set A but not in set B, according to multiple math resources. Essentially, you remove all elements of set B from set A. Let set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set B is 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, the difference of set A set B is 1, 2, 4. We write it like this. B, or sometimes we also write the difference of set AB. So this is set AB or a B. This will be 1, 2, 4, B. A equals 6, 7, 8, or B. A equals 6, 7, 8. Similarly, we can find the difference of sets. In this way, we learned the difference of sets. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubts, then comment down below. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.